Kama si hao askari ingekuwa shida.
Na sasa turejelee mojawapo ya taarifa zetu kuu hii leo, ambapo Gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki amefikishwa kwenye mahakama ya kupambana na ufisadi Milimani baada ya mchana mzima wa kuhojiwa hapo jana na maafisa wa tume ya maadili na kupambana na ufisadi EACC na hatimaye kulala kwenye seli za makao hayo. Gavana Njuki anakabiliwa na tuhuma za ufisadi kuhusiana na utoaji zabuni ya kima cha shilingi milioni 34.9 ikiwa ni kandarasi ya mradi wa taka. Amefikishwa mbele ya hakimu mkuu Douglas Ogoti. Hebu turudi mahakamani ambapo kesi yake inaendelea kwa sasa.
Families, when they are committing crime, of course some of those members of the family may not know, but they are getting families to commit crime. And there's specific literature on that is not very good.
We'll deal with it, Your Honor. For now, I'm only...
No, just go and read. Yes.
I'll beseech the court for now, Your Honor.
Yeah.
That given that close relationship and the circumstances of the hospital admission and the newborn and whatnot, that should surely weigh in the conscience of the court in terms of the condition, the stance of bail. Now that, for now, there is no conviction against any of these people. Relating to still the newborn and whatnot and the ability to comply with bail terms, I'm urging the court to take judicial notice.
Now, what makes you think I will punish a newborn? Honestly, Mr. Muthomi.
If their father or mother is unable to post bail, clearly the newborn is also involved. But I think so that I don't waste your time, Your Honor. I think I've made the point.
Yes, you've made the point. Move to another one. Yeah, move to another one if at all you have.
And I was also going to suggest, Your Honor, lastly, we live in times of COVID-19, and I think that should also be a relevant, maybe not decisive, but definitely relevant condition or as you fix the facts. And we also live in hard economic times. The economic gravity of the same COVID-19. That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes. That all, EPP? Any response? Yes?
That was cited by the counsel for the past accused. That is Ruben Division 12 of 2019. Just to note that in that case, Your Honor, the court noted that in granting bail and bond terms, the same should also take into consideration rightly put the personal circumstances of the accused. And in that case, the court granted staggered bail terms. It would also be prayed that the court do grant staggered bail terms in this particular case, based also on the amount each accused person is charged. That's all.
Honestly, I can't say that it fixed a month ago. I don't want to lie to you, and I don't want to hide any cards under the table. I would wish to deliver this ruling first thing in the morning.
May I, noting what Your Honor has stated?
Yes.
May I request, because the accused persons presented themselves yesterday
Yes.
to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption.
Yes.
And because the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission were not ready with the charge sheet, they spent the night in police custody. That was unfortunate. They presented themselves, they were not arrested.
Yes.
Your Honor, if I may ask, and very politely, sir.
You see, I'm not recording.
It's off the record.
Yes.
It's off the record. If I may request Your Honor, and very politely so, if Your Honor can give us your determination, because I'm sure Your Honor is able to give a determination on bail, and the reasons can then follow thereafter. Or alternatively, Your Honor can conditionally release them to come tomorrow. They presented themselves to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. None of them were arrested. They presented themselves to the charge. So, Your Honor, if you can find some accommodation that either gives them a target to work to in terms of bail or allows them to be at liberty and return tomorrow, we will be most grateful.
Mr. Nyamodi, I want to deliver a wholesome ruling that settles this issue once for all. Because like now, how do I deal with the issue of staggering the bond terms? And that is the trend. We don't apply equality here, we apply equity. We look at what everybody is charged with and then give a reasonable bail terms according to the charge against each accused. I will not be able to do that.
Your Honor, then perhaps the request that I am making by my landlord on behalf of my landlord colleague, Mr. Muthomi, is that perhaps Your Honor then considers exception, allowing them to go. They presented themselves and they return tomorrow and take the ruling, and they remain subject.
I can only allow that for that lady who is in the hospital.
She's not here.
She's not here. Yeah. For those who are here, please come back tomorrow for the ruling.
Perhaps, Your Honor, if I may request that they be kept in the same facilities that they were kept in before they came to court today. The delay to tomorrow is not really occasions for them.
Yes, that one I will consider.
Most of them.
Where is the EACC? Why are you? I want to take on you today. Why are you filing? Why are you trying to upload this charge late? Yesterday we had the same issue. Today it's the same. What was the problem?
No, Your Honor, we uploaded these charge sheets early in the morning, and I had several communications with Mr. Kier. The first response I got from him is that he had not seen
yes,
charge.
I was, what everything is in the media, I was also monitoring.
Naam, ni katika mahakama ya Milimani hapo ambapo mawakili wa gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki pamoja na washukiwa wengine wanatetea wateja wao ili waweze kuachiliwa kwa dhamana mbele ya hakimu ambaye ni Douglas Ogoti, lakini tunavyoona hapo ni kwamba yeye anapendekeza kwamba warudi kesho ili waweze kujua hatima yao, lakini mawakili wake wanajaribu kutetea mmoja